Hi, I'm Caitlin Brown.
Hi, I'm Rachel Kearns.
And I'm Jessica Thorburn, and we are some of the Gen Med preceptors at Marion General.
So a typical day for us is we participate in interdisciplinary rounds in the morning with the physician and the nurses on the floor. And then each of us is also responsible for an ancillary floor where we complete chart reviews, and then we try to touch base with the physicians in the afternoon with any problems or concerns we may have for the patients.
We all are involved in multiple committees, and so if there is something that you're interested in, we can get you involved as well.
Gen Med will be a great opportunity for you to feel very confident with the core therapeutics. You'll also have the opportunity to work on consults, we'll do topic discussions, and also some projects.
Hello, I also precept the behavioral health rotation, and that consists of going up to the behavioral health unit and rounding with the psychiatrists and the nurses in the mornings. And then after lunch, usually going to the medical floor and doing any consults that the psychiatrist has. And then we also do any projects or topic discussions in the afternoon as well.
Hey guys, my name is Carrie Carrick. I am a preceptor for the Gen Med rotation. And this year I was also primary preceptor for the hospital staffing rotation. I'm a 1997 grad from the University of Toledo, and I've been a pharmacist at Marion General for the past 20 years. My goal as a preceptor is to show you the things that we do, help you learn some things along the way, and watch you develop into a well-rounded practitioner. Fun fact about myself is that I do have an identical twin. She also works at Marion General, although not in pharmacy. She's in our Associate Health and Wellness Department. I'm excited to get to know all of you a little bit better here, and I wish you luck, and welcome to Marion General.
Hi, my name is Trisha Sutter, and I am the Residency Program Coordinator at Marion General Hospital. I will also assist you with your research project for the coming year, along with the help of the Ohio Health Research Institute, which provides us with research specialists and biostatisticians to assist with your project. One thing that is unique about the research projects at Marion General Hospital is that we use a flipped residency research model. And that means when you arrive in July, you will pick up a research project that has already been started by one of our current residents. The current residents will have already completed the research protocol and have submitted the protocol for IRB approval if necessary. When you pick up the project, it will be at the point of data collection. You will collect the data for that project, complete the statistical analysis, and write the conclusion. The timeline is such that you should have a completed project to present at the ASHP mid-year clinical meeting in December. Then in January, you will get to start a brand new research project, hopefully incorporating your interests with the needs of the site and the system. The benefit to using the flipped residency research model is that you don't have to come up with a research project right away when you step on site. It allows you some time to explore your interests and to learn about the needs of the site and the system in order to come up with a project that is meaningful to both you and the site. It also allows you to have your name on two different projects. If you have any questions about the research project at Marion General Hospital, please feel free to send me an email, or we can discuss it further during your interview. I look forward to meeting you.
Hello, I am Claire McMahon. I am the emergency medicine preceptor for the ER elective rotation. I went to school, pharmacy school and undergrad at Ohio State University. I did my PGY1 at Carillion in Roanoke, Virginia, and then did a PGY2 in emergency medicine at the University of Wisconsin. So the ED rotation at Marion General is an elective, but a little bit of background about the ER here. We're about 27 physical beds. Of course, we have hallway beds and whatnot. And we see about 50,000 patients visits per year, which is kind of perfect for our rotation. You get a good balance of seeing critical patients and seeing things, but also still having time to do topic discussions and one-on-one learning opportunities. So on the ER rotation, you'll work side by side with me and eventually work your way towards being the independent pharmacist for the ER, doing all verification of orders, answering physician questions. Of course, we'll go bedside to RSIs, codes, strokes, preparing bedside medications. You'll also do daily topic discussions or like every other day topic discussions about various emergency medicine topics with or anything else that you want to cover. But in the end, you'll pretty much be independent and able to kind of handle the ER by yourself, hopefully.
Hi guys, my name's Lizzie.
And I'm Charlie.
We both did residency here in 2017 and 2018, and now we're your preceptors for the medical ICU rotation.
So we have a 15-bed ICU here at Marion. It's primarily just a general medical ICU. We have a lot of cardiac patients and a lot of ID patients that you'll be seeing from a critical care standpoint. And it's a 6-week rotation you'll be spending with us. We have a really great critical care team that we run with, and we're looking forward to working with you.
Hi, my name is Erica Wiverly, and I'm the Antimicrobial Stewardship Pharmacist here at Marion. I will precept you on your ID rotation, and during this rotation, you will get to experience basically everything that I do as a pharmacist. So you'll be involved in, obviously, patient reviews on a daily basis, but there's also a lot of committee meetings that I'm involved in also. So some of those are at the system level, like our System Infectious Diseases Clinical Guidance Council, and there's also a slew of local meetings, such as our antimicrobial stewardship team and infection control that I will have you participate in as well. One of my favorite things about this job is the variety of things that I get to do. So you'll get to experience that variety too. Patient reviews, meetings, projects, evaluating data, collecting data, coming up with plans of how to improve antibiotic prescribing globally, both at Marion and at Ohio Health. One of the really neat things about antimicrobial stewardship at Ohio Health is that we have a really great system team in addition to the local team. So I work closely not only with our infectious disease physicians, but also the antimicrobial stewardship pharmacists at other sites throughout Ohio Health.
Hi, I'm Dan Sheridan. I'm the medication safety pharmacist here. And during the residency rotation here, you will look at medication errors that happen here, find ways to prevent them from occurring. You will work very closely with the Institute for Safe Medication Practices, and you'll have to review their newsletter and contribute to that. And finally, you will chair the campus medication safety committee during your month here. It's a great experience, and we look forward to having you here.